I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up an eSIM on your iPhone with Koodo can seem tricky, but it is pretty straightforward. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Get your eSIM activation code. Log into your Koodo account or contact customer service to obtain your eSIM activation code. This will usually be sent to you via email or SMS. Step 3. Open Settings. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app. From there, select Cellular or Mobile Data. Step 4. Add Cellular Plan. Tap on Add Cellular Plan and scan the QR code you received from Koodo. If you have a manual activation code, you can enter it instead. Step 5. Label your plan. Once the eSIM is added, label it for easy identification like Koodo. This helps if you have multiple plans. Remember, if you don't see the Add Cellular Plan option, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Good luck with your new eSIM. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.